guys, welcome back to the YSA Sydney YouTube channel. You're back with Koi and we're here to do another science experiment using some strawberries. So for today's experiment, we'll be using 2 plastic cups, a kebab stick, a teaspoon for measuring, isopropyl alcohol, or also known as rubbing alcohol, some detergent or dishwashing liquid, salt, some strawberries, or if you have at home, bananas will do, a rubber band, Chuck's wipe or any kitchen cloth, and a resealable plastic bag. Also, you'll be needing access to warm water and some cold water. So for the first step, we will get our resealable plastic bag and place the 4 strawberries with the tops cut off inside. Here we go. And we're going to squish the strawberries for about a minute. This is how it should look after a minute. We'll leave this to the side while we prepare our next step. Here I have half a teaspoon of detergent, a teaspoon of salt, and half a cup of warm water. And I'm going to mix them up. Mix the water. And I'm going to pour in the teaspoon of salt. And I'll use my spoon to mix it up. Here we have our detergent, salt and warm water solution, and we're going to place it in our bag of mushed strawberries.
The detergent helps open up the strawberry cells, releasing the DNA into the solution, whereas the salt helps create an environment where the DNA strands can gather and clump.
We're going to close it up, making sure we get rid of all the air. For the next step of our experiment, we're going to be making a filter. We're going to place the kitchen cloth over the plastic cup, folding the sides over the rim. We're going to secure the sides by using a rubber band. Like this. Then I'm going to use my hand to make an indent in the middle of the cup. Now we're going to pour the contents of this bag into the kitchen cloth.
Few moments later.
Here I have the filtered solution. I will be adding the isopropyl alcohol. I'm using a measuring cup to make this easier for me to pour. To pour the isopropyl alcohol into this cup, we're going to slightly tilt, as we do not want to mix the 2 liquids together. Rather, I want to create a layer that sits on top.
When we add the rubbing alcohol to the filtered strawberry liquid, the alcohol should precipitate the DNA out of the liquid, while the rest of the liquid remains in solution.
See, there is 2 layers, the strawberry solution and the isopropyl alcohol in the top layer. Bottom layer, top layer. I'm going to be using my kebab stick to pick out the strawberry DNA. This is multiple strands of strawberry DNA. Wow, so there you go. That's how you get DNA out of a strawberry. Now I'm going to clone you and make more strawberries. Just kidding, you can't do that. But if you really like this video, give us a thumbs up and press that subscribe button for more videos just like this. Also, it's National Science Week, so we're celebrating science and technology. There are plenty of activities you can do, and we're linking that down in the description box. Also, comment down below for any experiments you want us to do and try out in the future. This is Koi from YSA Sydney. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!